At Seaway, we're investing in the future of our business, our industry, and the people who will shape both. Our graduate programme is about more than just developing skills. It's about bringing passionate, talented people into offshore wind, giving them the chance to make a real difference from day one. From engineering to contracts, planning, supply chain, finance and legal, our programme has grown to reflect the diversity of roles driving the energy transition.
I was always attracted to a career in renewable energy because I felt that it's the future. I wanted to join Seaway7 because they offer a fantastic graduate programme. They give so much opportunities to young people looking to get a head start in their careers. I made the right choice because I have experienced that from day one. I think that it's an excellent opportunity to work with experienced individuals who have a lot of professional knowledge that they can share with me, and also the opportunity to work with other like-minded graduates who are also starting out in their careers.
My highlight from the graduate program is I have experienced the transition piece during the off-site visit. It's really impressive for me to see this structure with my real eyes.
I want to join Seaway7 because it's such a worldwide company. There's so much excitement but also positivity, and you can really feel that in the office every day. My onboarding experience with Seaway couldn't have gone better. From the start, everyone around me, my managers and my peers were so friendly. It felt straight away like a big community.
Coming to the Netherlands for the first time is really exciting for me, and also I received a lot of help from people here for settling in, and also I feel very welcome.
I had a great first impression of Seaway7. Everyone has been nothing but friendly. Everyone's very forward thinking, they're innovative, they have lots of fresh ideas that they want to share with me, and they want me to learn and grow and develop as much as possible. I also think that the culture is just fantastic. Everyone is extremely open to you asking questions. It's just been fantastic from day one.
First impressions of Seaway, it seems like a great place to work. Everyone seems really friendly and the work is really exciting.
Our graduates are already contributing to the world's largest offshore wind farm. They're gaining hands-on experience, shaping their careers and the future of energy. By developing our own talent and welcoming new perspectives, we're building a stronger, more diverse sector for everyone.